Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is not the usual kind of video that you see on my channel because this is not a recipe video. Instead, this is a shopping vlog. So lately I've realized that whenever I was shooting these recipe videos or whenever I was taking the thumbnails, the flat lay photography, I thought I needed more visually appealing crockery sets and also props. So I went to this IKEA in Hyderabad, Gachibowli to get some beautiful matte finish crockery sets and also some props and flowers and backgrounds. They got a really good collection. They also launched their winter Christmas collection too. So if you want, do check it out. By the way, you can also watch this vlog in Telugu and I'll link it in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is the main entrance. You just have to take the escalator up, take a left turn, and then you get this section where you see all these wooden chopping boards. I love anything wood because that is very visually appealing whenever you place the food on them, and they can go literally with any cuisine. So I thought let me take one to place food on them and take like a flat lay photography. But the thing is, they were quite expensive. As you can see, this one retails for about 839 rupees. And then I came across this section of beautiful spoons and fork sets. They really have a good collection. And then comes the plates section. I love good looking plates. They add a beautiful foundation for the food. Now IKEA has a very good collection of plates, I felt. They're available in different sizes, shapes, and also even if you're on a low budget, you can get a very beautiful white plate for as low as 59 rupees. I also came across this beautiful salad bowl that retails for about 700 rupees. You also get different bowls in the similar range, and I've also seen this beautiful bowl. We've seen a blue plate earlier that is similar to this, and this is the whole section of glossy plates and bowls, and this bowl retails for 99 rupees. They also have a good collection of colored plates. These are all glossy plates. You can see these retail for 170 rupees. These are the smaller ones in the picture, and the larger ones are for 200 rupees. And these are perfect matte plates, and these are perfect for videography and photography. The smaller ones are for 179, and these are perfect because the glossier ones tend to reflect the light, which is not suitable for photography at all. And these small Q2 bowls are for 129. You can see there's a beautiful color. You can place any dark colored food on that. And this bowlish plate is for 300. I really like the texture. I know they reflect a very little bit of light, but that's perfectly okay for me. And this bowl is for 170 as well. Wow, I really like this whole beautiful baby pink set. So I thought let me take some of these because that also goes well with my logo. The Cakes logo is in pink, so I thought these plates are also very nice. So I've taken this black big plate and this small cement grey beautiful matte plate as well. And this bowl is for 129. But if you really want to buy a whole set, there is this 18 pieces set for 3000 rupees. After that, I came across this set of 4 plates. These are also matte, but these are made of plastic. So I thought, let me reduce the plastic consumption, at least for my channel, because I really want to help save the environment. Just a small baby step from my side. And I really loved this beautiful cup and saucer pair. This is for 169 rupees. This is very small, perfect for your chai or just a small peg of coffee. And then I came across this section of beautiful napkins and tablecloths. And as you can see, that blue one and the grey one, they retail for 89, and the multicolored ones retail for 150. So for my channel, I was looking for a perfect background to keep my plates for the flat lay photography. So I wanted a light background and a dark background. So generally, people take backgrounds that are very hard and sturdy, but I also wanted to make them travel friendly. So I thought a napkin would be fine, because even if I spill something for presentation, or if I just sprinkle some sugar or cocoa powder on top of these can be easily washable. But I also came across these sturdy ones. These are some table mats. These sturdy ones, they have an advantage that they don't have any wrinkles, so you need not iron them. So I was also seeing these, but I wasn't satisfied with the texture and also the color. And then I came across this section of harder and stiffer mats than the previous one. They make a perfect background. And they also retail for 80 rupees, so I thought that's quite affordable. Also, they can be used double-sided, and this one is the front side. That is a darker one, and the back side has a kind of a stonish effect. So I thought that would look great in photos. And then I went shopping for my props. I thought anything small and green like this plant right here would add a freshness in the frame. That retails for 379 and these for 400. So I thought that's quite a little bit expensive. Excuse the blurred videography because I sanitized my phone and I forgot to wipe the lens. And now it's back to normal now. And these cute plants are for 99 rupees, the single ones, whereas this 3 set is for 300. And I also noticed that they have a good collection of live plants like these ones here. They are also quite affordable, like 160 or 130. And coming to these beautiful artificial flowers, they are just lovely. So these ones are for 129 and 170, but these are not the bunches that are available for these prices. These are just single flowers for that price. And to also add a beautiful elegance to the frame, I thought, let me shop for these potpourris. These are only for 60 rupees. So I got these red ones in raspberry flavor. I also really like these beautiful baby pink flowers for 50 rupees. I thought, again, this baby pink goes very well with my logo. And I was also looking at these cute candles, because whenever I'm shooting photos of the final output, they add to the richness in the frame. And these are actually candle bases. These are for 99, but I thought I can use this as a cookie plate. Probably I can put this and coffee to one side, and it looks very elegant in the frame. I also wanted to buy these green patches, but they are very expensive. They are sold only as a set and they retailed for 3,000. And we were almost at the end of our shopping. Hi Panda! And coming to their latest 2020 winter Christmas collection, they got some very good decorations. These ones are for 600 with a nice snowy print, and this is a beautiful Santa Claus for 800 rupees. Little penguins there. I love these hearts, they're so nice. And they have many more decorations as well. And right when we were at the billing counters, I saw these beautiful glossy white plates for only 59 rupees. I really wanted to buy, but they were reflecting light again, so I didn't buy them. Beautiful bird of paradise and other flowers. Looks so colorful in the frame. And that's it. We bought many things. And this haul I'll be showing in another video. I got backgrounds, props, plates and bowls. All of these for about 1600 rupees. So all of these will be in the part 2 of this video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to K Cooks for some yummy, amazing vegetarian recipes.